How to start cryptocurrency leverage trading easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to start cryptocurrency leverage trading, how to get started, what is leverage trading, and what platform you should use. So let's get into it. First of all, today I will be using Binance.com, which is world's leading crypto platform. And if you're looking for a crypto platform to buy, sell, trade crypto, and to find the derivatives of crypto, the futures trading, then Binance is actually a really good platform. So I will be using Binance.com. There are other platforms out there as well. For example, Bybit, we have Coinbase, and many others, but I will be using Binance today. So once you have selected the platform, now you need to understand what is leverage trading. So we can quickly get a guide for leverage trading. What is the crypto leverage trading? So you can see leverage refers to using borrowed capital to trade cryptocurrencies or other financial assets. It amplifies your buying and selling power so you can trade with more capital than what you currently have in your wallet. Depending on the crypto exchange you trade on, you could borrow up to 100 times your account balance. So, if we describe the leverage trading in ratios, for example, if you have 1 ratio 5, that's going to be 5x. If you have 1 ratio 10, that's going to be 10x. And it shows how many times your initial capital is being multiplied. So, for example, you have $10 and you had $100, and then what will happen is that has the power to go, if the leverage is 10x, then your 100 will become $1,000. Of course, there is a risk involved as well. It's cryptocurrency, but this is what the leverage trading is in simple words. Now that you understand leverage trading, you want to get started with it. You want to actually, deal in the leverages of crypto. You're good to go, and you can use a platform as I suggested, Binance.com. On Binance.com, you require an account. You just need to enter your email address, your phone number, and you will get your account. Need to verify it, and you will be able to avail all of the options. So I have logged into my Binance.com, and this is what the dashboard looks like. You can see on Binance we have other options, but we're going to focus on the derivatives today. We have Binance Futures. Here I will be able to find the responsible trading, Binance Futures, USD Futures, CoinM Futures, options, and leveraged tokens as well. I will actually give you a quick tour around the leveraged token at the end as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to the trade crypto futures. You can also go to binance.com/futures directly if you want to. Here you can see we have different options. We have USDM futures, CoinM futures, strategy trading, and Binance options. With futures, again, as I explained you what the leverage trading is, what the futures is, here it kind of like refers to the borrow capitals to trade with cryptocurrency. Right, now let's get started with the platform. You have an idea how the leverage works. So you know what is leverage trading, you can get started. Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling in crypto involves a high degree of risk, or whether you prefer to lose money or not. Leverages futures also involve a high degree of risk, so you should truly understand it before you get started. This is actually a tutorial for you guys to show you about a platform which is Binance.com so that you can get started with your leverage. If you're confused, you know what is leverage trading, but you're confused where to go, where to get started, then this video is for you as a complete beginner. So that being said, let's continue. You can see we have our perpetuals ready here. You have to select what futures you want to go for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go with CoinM futures, click on trade now, and it will open up the trading window for me. It will take you right here. You can see Binance Futures. We again have USDM, CoinM, options, strategy, activity, and others. This is the perpetual that we selected. We have selected BTC and USD. There are other perpetuals as well. Click on this drop down and you will be able to avail all of the different perpetuals. You can see this is the live price, mark, index, funding and countdown, 24-hour trend, 24-hour high, and 24-hour low. Then we also have 24-hour volume. This is where I will be able to get my chart, and you can see we have time. So select the time frame first. We can also kind of like scroll down a little bit to select if you want it auto or log. We have percentage as well, toggle percentage, toggle log scale, or auto. So I have selected the auto one. Right here in our chart, if you know how to read a crypto chart, it's actually really easy. You have all of the different, the prices right here. We have our graph. These are all of the different tools to use on our chart. So we have like text, forks, and scales and brushes, icons to use right here with our chart. And then we have our prices. We have a depth view as well, original view, last price, some of the other tools available. We can also expand it, but for the purpose of the video, I'm not going to do that. We have our order book here for the perpetual that we have selected, and this is where I will be able to buy long or sell short with the perpetual that I have selected. This is where we work. You're gonna first select if you want it to be cross or if you want it to be 20x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select cross from here, and then we have market. We also have limit, stop limit, and others. I'm going to select market. Size. So you need to enter your size here for the perpetual that you have selected. So I'm going to select BTC for the size for the perpetual that I have selected. Enter your size, select the percentage, select reduce only or TP. Click on buy long or sell short. So this is an important option here. It depends on you. If you want to buy long or sell short, you will just use these two options. So it's actually really easy to use the futures on Binance. Similarly, you can switch the perpetual from here, and the process is going to be similar. If I scroll down a little bit, we will have our positions here, and I will be able to see the history of different transactions happening. We can also check our margin ratio right here at the bottom and our assets. Because leverage and futures involve assets, you can buy different assets using Binance, and it will also show you the assets that you have on your wallet. We also have the strategy trading where we have futures grid. So if you want to use a bot for the futures trading, then you can go to the futures grid, and it will allow you to automate your process, and you don't have to monitor everything every second. You can see this is where we create a bot. You can see the auto option where we have to enter the lower price, upper price, grid number, select if it's going to be neutral, long, or short, and we will be able to create our futures grid. With our derivatives, we also have the leverage tokens available. For when it comes to the derivatives, I'm going to click on leverage tokens now. In our leverage tokens, you will be able to find all of the different tokens for different coins. For example, for Bitcoin, we have BTC down and BTC up. Again, it's a leverage, so we have down and up. Then you can also find the 4x leverage, like the coin with the leverage 4x or 2x. So you will be able to find it here. We have our trade, subscribe, or redeem option. So this is for the leverage token. There is already a video on the channel how to use the leverage trading or how to use the futures. But this was a tutorial for you guys to show you how to get started with leverage trading cryptocurrency. So if you understand leverage trading and you are looking for a platform, then Binance is the platform for you. You will be able to find all of the different derivatives right here, and I showed you how to use them. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.